What you see here are the 5 worst singing mistakes. And in the upper left corner, this is Eleonora. And I'm Pierre. She's our singing teacher. She's an opera singer and I am a complete beginner. I'll ask her questions and she'll answer. I'll exercise and you can exercise with me. Eleonora, I've been thinking about common mistakes singers make. Are there certain traps I should avoid as I continue learning?
Absolutely. There are 5 major pitfalls singers fall into. Let's break them down so you can avoid them and build a solid foundation. Many singers think they can muscle their way to high notes by getting louder.
But isn't more power helpful for higher notes?
Not quite. High notes aren't about brute force. Your body might try to increase breath pressure and raise the larynx, or tense the jaw and spread the lips, all of which create strain and can limit your range. Instead, high notes require balance and technique.
So, how do I check if I'm doing it right?
Try to ask yourself 4 questions. First, breathing. Are you using a smooth, steady exhalation instead of forcefully pushing the air? Is your larynx relaxed, stable, or is it rising and causing tension? Is your jaw and tongue loose and relaxed, or stiff and interfering with your sound? Are your lips in a neutral position, or are they stretched unnaturally wide?
Got it. But that's a lot to keep in mind while singing.
Yes. It can seem overwhelming at first, but once you build awareness, these checks become part of your technique. If you're naturally timid, start with making joyful, full sounds, then refine them later. Think of it as learning to walk before you dance. A worse mistake is ignoring falsetto and head voice. Many singers focus so much on chest voice and mixing that they leave these lighter registers underdeveloped.
Interesting. Why is that such a big deal?
They are most important because falsetto and head voice can help build flexibility, increase range, and reduce vocal fatigue. They're crucial for agility and accessing different textures. Even if you don't perform in falsetto, strengthening these registers enhances your overall technique.
So, how do I strengthen those areas?
Start with the woo siren. Glide gently from your low range to your highest pitch on a dopey sounding woo. This helps ease your voice into the upper register without pressure. I will demonstrate. Woo!
I do it now. Woo! It feels kind of weak and floaty.
That's okay at first. It's about coordination. The more you practice, the more control and resonance you will build. Head voice can become strong and clear over time. It just needs regular attention.
I don't understand that mistake. Isn't trying hard the whole point of singing?
Ironically, no. When you're fixated on perfection, you become rigid. You judge every sound that will tighten your voice and limit your creativity.
So, I should just let myself sound bad?
Absolutely. Some of your most powerful breakthroughs will come from experimenting with ugly or unfamiliar sounds. Cracks, breathy tones, or unexpected vibrato are all clues. The voice is an evolving instrument, not a fixed product. Freeing yourself from judgment opens the door to real artistry.
Wow, that's actually freeing to hear.
Good. Let yourself play, explore, and get messy. That is how vocal growth happens. This might even be the worst mistake. It's not just about how often you practice, but how you practice. Common practicing errors. Skipping warm-ups. Jumping into songs without warming up can strain your voice. Always start with gentle exercises. Choosing songs beyond your current ability. It's great to be ambitious, but picking material that's too advanced can be discouraging and damage your technique. Mindless repetition. Practicing a song over and over without focusing on the trouble spots doesn't lead to improvement. Neglecting cooldowns. Just like athletes stretch after workouts, your voice benefits from a gentle cooldown.
So, shorter, focused practice is better than singing for an hour without plan?
Exactly. I recommend 20 to 30 minutes of focused work with a mix of technical exercises and song study. And always end with something that feels easy and enjoyable to keep motivation high. The saddest one. I've seen talented singers abandon their dreams because of fear, comparison, or harsh criticism. Singing is vulnerable. It's your voice, your emotion, and your identity. Growth takes time, and resilience is part of the process.
What if I feel stuck or like I'm not improving?
That is a good question. That's when you lean on your passion. Reconnect with the reason you started singing. Keep a journal and record your progress. Talk with the teacher or fellow singers. And remember, plateaus are normal. Don't confuse a temporary stall with failure.
That's reassuring. I've had days where I just wanted to give up.
We all do. Just remember your best friends: consistency, patience, and self compassion. Your voice deserves time to bloom.
Give me a minute to summarize. So, mistake number 5 is getting loud to achieve high notes. You should use balance and technique. Number 4, neglecting falsetto and head voice. You should build flexibility. Number 3, trying too hard to sound good. Free yourself from judgment. Number 2, poor practice habits. Make a smart plan. And number 1, the worst mistake of all, giving up too soon. Growth takes time and resilience. Now, what can you do about these mistakes? I have a couple of hints here. Practice scales with dynamic control. Start soft and maintain control as you go higher. This teaches balance and it prevents pushing. Be brave in practice. Make wild sounds. Record yourself and don't aim to impress. Aim to discover. Explore falsetto daily. Use woo sirens or gentle slides to connect with your upper register. Create a smart practice plan like this. Warm up, then choose one song, isolate tricky sections, and afterwards cool down. Keep a notebook of what worked. And finally, stay committed. Promise yourself, I will not give up on my voice. Reaffirm it daily. Do you want to sing yourself with real power and soul? Do you want to see how Eleonora nails opera, contemporary music, and songwriting? Then click the link below the video or go directly to superiorsingingcoach.com. That is superiorsingingcoach.com. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe. It helps the channel and you'll never miss a new video.